Hello and welcome to a new Supsis AI tutorial. Today we will take a look at the web app integrations of Supsis AI. First, we're gonna go to the integrations panel. Click on web. Then click on web apps. This is the Supsis AI web apps gallery. Web apps are independent applications that can be either built by you or imported from another website. If you have previously built a web app and you would like to import it to the Supsis AI dashboard, you're going to scroll down, then click on New Web App. You're going to then fill this page, import your project here, then click on Create. Once you've done that, your web application should be visible among other apps in the web app gallery. If you want to build your own web app from scratch, you can use the Supsis Code App Builder. The coder does not require any programming skills. You can use vibe coding to build your own custom web application. Let's take a look at some of the pre-made web apps and see how we can integrate them into our workflow. I'm personally a big fan of the Pomodoro technique. That's why I'm gonna install this app on my dashboard. To do so, I'm gonna click on Install. As you can see, the web apps can be placed in many different parts of the dashboard. I'm gonna place mine in the app switcher, customize the shortcut, then click on Create. Now, if I open the app switcher panel, you're gonna see that the Pomodoro timer has been added to my custom app list. Let's try another app. Sometimes I find myself in need of the WhatsApp integration troubleshooting document. So I'm going to install the troubleshooting web app. This time I'm going to place it on my toolbar. Now if I click on my toolbar button, I'm gonna find that the web app has been added successfully. I also like having the chatbot reports quickly accessible, so I'm going to install this app. If you are not sure on where the web app is going to be placed, you can hover over this placement and it's going to show you an example on where the web app is going to be added. I'm going to place this app in the main menu. This is the web app that I just added to my main menu. By clicking on it, it's going to open the chatbot report application. Web apps placement is not limited to the main interface. You can also place them in other Supsis AI feature and modules. This is a word clock web app. This app can be very useful when getting in touch with customers in different time zones. So I'm gonna install it to my contacts module. Now if I open any contact sheet and scroll to the right, I'm going to find the app I just added here. To manage the web apps you added, you can use the Web Tabs integration. Here you're going to find a list of the apps you already installed. With the buttons on the right, you can do things like disabling them, cloning them to another part of the dashboard, editing them, or deleting them. This is it for today's tutorial. If you have an idea for a new web app that can be useful to you, feel free to share it with us in the comment section. All the data shown in our tutorials is dummy data. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.